now that I got a taste, I think that I'd suffocate for every second that you aren't by my side. But now I'm stuck at the gate of Lucifer's estate. I fell in love with a girl I met in hell, thinking about all the things where you pull my strings. I love the way you turn me on. I ain't Hades, but I'm the king. I'd do anything so that I could take you home. She drove me crazy, yeah. She drove me crazy.